What is up, investors? And Jason here. So some major things going on over in the technicals of cryptocurrencies, mainly with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, we still have the crypto fear and greed index sitting over in extreme fear right now. We've been seeing it. We saw it in fear yesterday. Today, we're seeing it in extreme fear. But what we're seeing, looking at the sideways trading with Bitcoin, is that Bitcoin is looking like it's getting ready to potentially get closer to that breakout that's going to happen, because we've been seeing it consolidating a lot. And now it's kind of just moved off its course a little bit, and it just moved above the $42,000 price at the time that I'm making this right now. So currently, Bitcoin is above 42,000, which 42,000 is a major area of resistance for Bitcoin. And that's when the price of Bitcoin can start getting really bullish if it is able to hold on to support above $42,000. And the other big thing is that we have Ethereum right now kind of hanging out around $3,000. And Ethereum also has broken off from the sideways trading that it was doing. It's starting to break off a little bit from what it looks like, and this could be another big sign that Ethereum could be getting ready to have a big breakout. So these are very bullish signs right now. So we're going to talk about this and some other news in the crypto space. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash this story, annihilate, or gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread this content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. All right, getting right into the technicals first. Bitcoin is hanging out around $42,000 right now. A lot of volatility at this price because this is a major area of resistance, and these are things that we really have to pay attention to, because this is one of the most crucial prices with Bitcoin to see it turn over into the more bullish territory. Now, $42,000, this area of resistance that we're in right now was a huge area of support that Bitcoin was holding on to in 2021. Once Bitcoin had fallen through that price of $42,000, I mean, it really did fall through it. And after it wasn't able to hold on to it. And that's when we had seen the price of Bitcoin drop down to a price of around $33,000. I did that pretty swiftly when it wasn't able to hold on to that. So what we've been really trying to do since then, since around the third week of January, that's the $42,000 price has been something that Bitcoin has been, working its way up a lot of resistance, or even going above, and trying to just really hold on above that $42,000 price. But that's been something that it has not been able to do. So right now, we're kind of just been gradually working back up with this consolidation. Look at the moving averages here. We've been seeing these moving averages get smaller and smaller. And this consolidation, this sideways trading here, it's really consolidated a lot. And so now we're testing this $42,000 price with all this consolidation that we had seen. And this is a major bullish sign here. This is very important to watch, and especially when we look over at what is going on with Ethereum. As we were seeing that same type of consolidation with the price of Ethereum, we're seeing Ethereum consolidate. We're seeing it move along, very well within this pattern here. And then what did it just recently do? It just recently kind of moved its way out of that pattern, and it's working its way up to $3,000. That's very serious, because the $3,000 price, once Ethereum wasn't able to hold on to that, that's been something that it's been struggling with, trying to get over. If it was able to get over it, it wasn't able to hold on to it, and it kept falling back through. So these are major things that we do need to be watching and do need to be paying attention to the technicals. If you're somebody that understands technicals, really pay attention to this. If you don't understand technicals, it's definitely worth watching videos like this, and also downloading TradingView and other applications and learning about it, because these are things that are really important to understand. Now, looking over at the crypto market cap, we are seeing a lot of this bullish behavior really reflecting a lot on the prices of these cryptocurrencies. Looking over at the last 7 days, we have Bitcoin up more than 7%, Ethereum up 14%. We have BNB up close to 6%. Now, we're not really seeing too much going on with XRP or Terra, but we've had so much things going on with Terra Luna recently, with the price, really accelerating a lot, and XRP is having their issues with the SEC still. But other cryptos like Cardano, up nearly 7%, which Cardano just passed Solana on the market cap. So they're kind of demanding neck and neck there on who was going to flip who. Solana up more than 9.5%. Avalanche up nearly 19%. So a lot of movement over in the crypto space right now too. So this is also a really good bullish sign of what is going on in the whole crypto market. Now, there's a couple things going on over in the crypto space as far as news. The first thing here, Bitcoin's mining difficulty drops for the second time in March. The most recent drop was on Thursday, and that had dropped 0.35%. And the first drop for March was on March 3rd, and at that time it had dropped 1.5%. Now, the difficulty dropping a little bit, that has to refer to the amount of energy that is being used to mine Bitcoin. This could be because of more people getting out of the game right now because the price is a bit too low. It doesn't really make it worthwhile with everybody mining it with these harder hash rates. The other thing could be that these geopolitical issues are definitely affecting mining operations in parts of Europe. So there's multiple things going on that do have a factor in this. Now, we're also seeing the Bitcoin supply on exchanges hit a 39-month low as the long-term holders balance soar. We're seeing more long-term holders within Bitcoin, holding on or adding more Bitcoin. Now, the amount of Bitcoin held on exchanges as of March 17th is 10.25% of the total supply, or 1,946,069.41 Bitcoin. And this is the lowest amount of Bitcoin on exchanges since December 2018, according to data tweeted on March 18th by on-chain metric platform Sentiment. So we might be seeing less mining of Bitcoin, but we're seeing more buying, more long-term holders of Bitcoin, more people bullish on Bitcoin in the long term, that the price of Bitcoin will be going up. So these are good things to be paying attention to. And GameStop plans NFT marketplace for Q2 this year. GameStop revealed its plans to launch its NFT marketplace by the end of Q2 this year. The company noted that it had hired dozens of employees working on Web3 gaming, and the company has had plans for its own NFT marketplace for nearly a year now. Now, it's interesting that GameStop went this direction, but at the same time, it makes sense because their business model of selling games is one that doesn't have as much purpose anymore as it used to back in the day. And this is just due to the fact that the games nowadays are so large that the contents cannot be read at the disc at the same time that it's being played. So people now are just choosing to just download the games in general. And GameStop is just one of many publicly traded companies that have recently gotten involved in cryptocurrencies. And this is just clear signs that, Bitcoin and Ethereum and cryptocurrencies are here to stay. And it's only going to get bigger from here, in my opinion. And I think it's a clear sign that is the direction that's going to happen. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on what's going on with the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and the overall crypto market. What do you guys think is going on right now? Do you think that we are moving into that bullish direction right now? Or do you think that it's going to continue to be bearish for a little bit longer? I would like to know. So that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.